Sanibonani, dumelang, abshini and hello. Bakwethu njengenyanga njengabantu abasiza abantu. We travel to places, different places. In other places we mainly risk our lives. In other places we mainly do things in a way emangazayo just to help you guys. Irregardless of ini, siyahamba sifuna amandla ngapha nangapha, sifuna izinto fonina ezinamandla ezokwazi ukuthi zinisize. Namhlanje ngine Ajagurajah oil. Ajagurajah oil. Ajagurajah oil. Ajagurajah oil. Ajagurajah oil. Ajagurajah oil. Ajagurajah oil for money. Ajagurajah oil for life. Ajagurajah oil for wealth. I-Ajagurajah oil bakwethu azifani. There's an Ajagurajah oil ka 1.5. There is an Ajagurajah oil ka 2,000. There is an Ajagurajah oil ka 3,000. There is an Ajagurajah oil ka 5,000. There is an Ajagurajah oil ka 10,000. Le Ajagurajah oil engiphethe namhlanje. I-Ajagurajah oil ka 2,000. Le Ajagurajah oil bakwethu isuka eGhana. Bengile nyolanda le Ajagurajah oil eGhana ngabuya nayo. Kunomfana okade sebeqedile abantu eLimpopo ebaqedile ethengisa i-Ajagurajah oil enamanga. The real Ajagurajah oil nayi lapha ngwakho. Umufuna umuntu omnyama, umufuna gogo, umufuna mama, uma ufuna bhuti, uma ufuna sisi ukushintsha impilo yakho, nayi i-Ajagurajah oil esuka eGhana. You can mainly Google noma usearch anywhere in any site ongasearcha kuyo ubuze nje ngoAjagurajah uvele nje uthi Ajagurajah via Google. Izokuvezela ibishop yaseGhana edila ngendaba zikaAjagurajah. I took a journey to Ghana ngiyolanda le ndaba le. Le ndaba le nayo ngibuye nayo umuntu omdala. Izokusebenzela, izokusiza, izokuphakamisa, izokuthuthukisa, izokunika amandla, izokwenzela impilo yakho uyibone impilo yakho. This Ajagurajah oil, Ajagurajah oil, Ajagurajah oil, Ajagurajah oil, Ajagurajah oil. Nana kronto, nana kronto, nana kronto, nana kronto, nana kronto, nana kronto, nana kronto. Jabir Ajagurajah, Jabir Ajagurajah, Jabir Ajagurajah. Ajagurajah for people. Lena inkolo yase Africa. Ma Africa mahle. Ilandeleni inkolo yenu yase Africa. Ma Africa mahle. Ivumeni inkolo yenu yase Africa. Ajagurajah, Ajagurajah, Ajagurajah. Hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah. Basazophakama abantu. Hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah. Uyayiphakamisa Ajagurajah oil ikusebenzele ikusize. Mina mkhulu am a service person. Ngiphila ngokuthi ngibe nama client ukuthi ngibe nemali. Mkhulu uma ama client engafikanga angibi nemali. Hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah, hey Ajagurajah. Iyakusebenzela, iyakusiza, ivula into zakho wherever you are emhlabeni. Ngiyakuthumela Ajagurajah oil. Ngiyakuthumela Ajagurajah oil. Ngiyakuthumela Ajagurajah oil. Ngiyakuthumela Ajagurajah oil. Emva kwalokho ukwazi ukuthi ube namandla. Ukwazi ukuthi uphile. Ajagurajah oil for breakthrough in your finances, breakthrough in your family, breakthrough in your life, breakthrough in everything that you do. Ajagurajah oil is for you. Think about it and take the right decision for you. Think about it. Wherever you are, Israel, wherever you are in South Africa, wherever you are in Africa, wherever you are in USA, wherever you are in America, wherever you are in Australia, Ajagurajah oil is for you. Ajagurajah oil is for you. Ajagurajah himself is for you. Ajagurajah himself is for you. The most highest, dangerous, important, omnipotent angel of God is for you. Ajagurajah is for each and everyone. Ajagurajah is not racist. It's not for blacks or for whites. It's for everyone. Ajagurajah is not for Indians or no colors, but for everyone. Ajagurajah for you. Ajagurajah, Jabir Ajagurajah, Jabir Ajagurajah, Ajagurajah wanguyo, Ajagurajah watembe, Ajagurajah. Ajagurajah, bless me. Ajagurajah, bless my life. Ajagurajah, bless me. Ajagurajah, bless my life. Who else can I believe to? Who else? Ajagurajah, 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 Ben, Ajagurajah, Ben.